Hi guys, welcome back in this new episode of Detailing Guru. I'm gonna try to answer a simple question, and it is, how many times can you use clay on your car? It may sound silly, but by traveling around the world, I have seen that in many other countries, a lot of people have never used a clay bar before. In this episode, I'm going to try to explain you when and when not to use it. First question to answer is, when do I use clay? Well, this is a pretty important one. So you use clay when any other possible decontamination didn't do the job. And I mean, you can do a chemical decontamination with iron, you can do one with tar, you can use APC, you can even use hot water. If all these don't work, then clay will be your solution. But this will also come with a downside, because the moment you start using a clay bar, you will always induce marring and scratches. These can be severe, these can be light. So that's the downside, and you have to be aware that if you have done that, if you have to ask yourself the question, do I really want to polish or repolish or redo my whole process of protection again? Let me show you what I was talking about. I will grab my towel, wipe it off, and you can come and check it in. As you can see with the light, we are inducing some scratches and also clay marring. This will need, in the best case, hand polishing, but in most cases it will need machine polishing. To answer the question, how often can you clay bar paint? Well, as many times as you want, but the fact is that the claying is inducing marring and scratches, and that will need polishing, and the polishing will also reduce the clear coat. So claying is not properly, but claying is safe, but the polishing will be a bit destructive for your clear coat. However, there is a lot of contamination that also lands on the glass of your car. Because glass has a different hardness than your clear coat, it's really safe to use a clay bar on glass, and you can get a lot of contamination off. So don't be afraid to use a clay bar on your glass. To sum it up, clay bar is a very effective tool to remove all contamination on your paintwork. However, it will induce light scratches and marring, and it's up to you to decide what you want to do and which efforts you want to put in to get all these out. That's it for me today. I hope you liked this episode. Feel free to write some comments down below. I'm out. See you soon. Ciao.